Hey there guys, today I'll be picking it's a Union cylinder lock, got 267 on it. I don't know who sent the lock to me. I've had it for years. I just had found it in my cylinder box. I keep all my cylinders, my locks, but I've never picked this lock. One time before the video I just tried to see if I can open it, and I did. Key is a little sticky. This is the key for it. It's got a 5-pinner. Look, it's made in Italy. The key. So we want to try to open it up. We'll see what's inside of this. Feel like pin 2s. Set him first. Okay, that was pin 3. Got 2 clicks out of 3. That was pin 4. Like I dropped one. Okay, pin maybe 2 again. Okay, it was pin 4 or 5. I barely touched him. Feel like a false set, but not for sure. Okay, pin. Feel like 2 or 3. So we'll open it up. So we have a key. Let's see. How am I going to open that? Let's see here. I'm going to use this. Okay, looks like it pops back. Okay. Pin tray out. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna probably make a mess with this thing. It won't go the other way. Well, we'll go around this way. Okay. Looks like a 5-pin lock. Let's see. Looks like milling on top of the plug. Looks like somebody's drilled the top of it out. If you can see that or not. Nothing's wrong with the pin 1. Okay. Looks like pin 2 is a normal pin. Oh, wrong one. 3 is a normal pin. Key pin. So far, all the standard pins, the key pins. So we'll try the driver pins. Okay, the first pin looks like a normal pin. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess here. So the second pin seems to be just a standard pin. Looks like a wafer pin. It's a small wafer. We'll stick that one in there. So it's just a standard pin and pin with a wafer. And I dropped one in the floor. And we'll see what pin 5 is. So pin 5 is a standard pin. I'm not for sure if this wafer had come out of pin 4 or 3. We'll put it in 4. And that's it, guys. Whoever sent the lock to me, thanks for the lock. As always, you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.